Hello everyone, John here, and in today's video I'll demonstrate to you how you can uninstall programs stroke apps in Windows 10. To uninstall programs in Windows 10, you can either use the New Settings app or the Control Panel. In this video, I'll demonstrate how you can uninstall a program in Windows 10 using both the New Settings app as well as the Control Panel. That out of the way, let's do this.
It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
To uninstall a program in Windows 10 using the Windows Settings app, you need to open the app itself. To do this, simply press the Windows logo key plus I. That opens the Settings app. So upon the app opening, look for the app group. So click on that, and what you notice is that a list of the apps and features installed in your computer will be displayed in a list form. To uninstall a program, simply locate it from the list and left click on it. You're going to notice two options, one being move and the other one being uninstall. In our case, we want to uninstall it, so we'll simply click on that. But before we uninstall, Windows will notify us that this app and its related info will be uninstalled. If you are sure of this, just simply click uninstall, and that will automatically remove this app and its related info from your computer. And that's how you can simply uninstall a program in Windows 10 using the Settings app. To uninstall a program in Windows 10 using the Control Panel, simply open the Control Panel. You can do this by heading on to Search and searching for Control Panel. So just click on the best match that appears, and the Control Panel app will open. From here, head on to uninstall a program, and again you're going to see a list of the programs installed in your computer. Simply locate the program that you want to uninstall, left click it, and from on top here you'll see the uninstall command button. Just press on that. Windows will want to confirm that you really want to uninstall this program from your computer. You also notified that this app will uninstall all related features. So if you're sure of this, just click on yes, and the program will be removed from your computer automatically. And that's how you can be able to uninstall a program in Windows 10 using the Control Panel. And that's how you can uninstall programs or apps in Windows 10. If this video was helpful, kindly like and share so that we share this knowledge with the world. Kindly subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so that you're notified of future videos. Thanks for watching, and as usual, see you in the next one. Stay safe.